we have attached multiple human parts in our this iteration. You can see. But we are kind of slightly deviating from our this concept, right? But it is totally fine. Let's see, can we make the stomach slightly fatter? Let's see how it looks like. Maybe make the whole body slightly, like what it is called, a lot more swollen, kind of like it's puffing, it's puffing from the inside out because of the fluids that the our alien plant is giving to this character. So let's just see. We need slightly thicker legs to be able to handle its body size. Maybe let's make it slightly taller and see how it looks. Does this one look better? Let's compare it. I think I like this one a little bit better, but we might have to do some changes. I think it is starting to look good, right? We can keep on building on top of it and make it look a lot better and creepier. We want to make it look really creepy. After we finish it and add texture, it's going to really look nice. Yep, I was going to add multiple hands, right? Let's see, and add multiple hands as if it is combined. Where is the human part? Okay, let's take the human part. As you know, we cannot use the IMM process because of our mess, so we are going to use this one. Like this. Okay, let's keep adding it and see how it looks like. Let's split it completely, and we can now easily duplicate it. I kind of want to make this hand slightly longer and like a root, this snaky long root thing. Let's see if it looks good or not. Let's rotate it. What do you guys think with all these amount of hands right here? Let's add some more and see what it looks like. This area looks a little empty, right? So let's add more hands. Why not? Who is stopping us from adding more hands, right? No one. Let's make it slightly smaller. Maybe these are like baby hands or something. Doesn't sound good, but looks good. Okay, he is the hand master, you know. We have heard of grandmaster, but he's the hand master. I think it looks interesting. Okay, so let's hide it and let's compare it. Okay, let's put it here and save as to take a snapshot. And I think it does look a lot more interesting, right? Maybe I need to add more hands. We need more hands. Do not shy away from more and more hands. They are just there to help us, right? Maybe slightly bigger. Maybe we can attach something in here that it uses as a weapon, right? Some sort of a weapon. Or we can do this. Wait, I have an idea. We have here the duplicate of a human that we kept. Wait, do we have our torso? Oh, no, it's fine. Let's use this one. Let's duplicate it and yeah, let's stick it here. We can delete the higher division right now. I only need this much area of it, so let's use the Sculptus Pro BMV no, BCV. In the move brush, for the move brush, Sculptus Pro doesn't work. So BHS. In snake hook brush, we can use Sculptus Pro. If we just erase it like this, and now make it smaller. I don't want to destroy the shape completely, so let's do this. Maybe its hand was attached here, right? Okay, and we can do this. Maybe make it slightly uneven to give it an interesting shape. We don't need its feet, so we can completely hide it like this. Now maybe we can make it slightly smaller and put it here. Okay, like this. Okay. We can fix the intersection later on. So let's see how it looks like. Okay. Does it look unbalanced or what? Let's see. I think it doesn't look that balanced, right? Let's hide the human. But I kind of like the idea of this one human coming from in between here. So let's see what we can do with it. And let's hide it for now. Or we can do this. BC curve tube, BCT for our curve tube, and we can do Let's turn off the sculpt mode. No. Turn it off. And like this. Yeah, I think we can do this, but from behind. Okay, let's do it. Wait, first let's put a platform underneath, so we will know where it is standing. Maybe a little bit thicker, like this. Okay, I think it looks fine. And like this. Sometimes the curve brush doesn't stick properly to the surface, but well, it is BC, but the curved tube one does snap properly to the surface. So let's use this one. You see, we can kind of make it look like this long intestine thing that is coming out of it. We can use it. Okay, let's make this one really big for now. Let's keep it here for the placement of a hand, and let's hide the hand for now. Okay, and let's use this one like this. I think this looks fine. We can now BC and use curve brush and press here. You see, without removing the curve line here, we can easily change it. Now let's just push it up front. Okay, let's select it first. If we just press it anywhere outside, you see there is a line. If we just press it anywhere outside, it will automatically select it. So now you can see these two are in the same subtool. So let's split it, split mask. And now let's just make this platform smaller. We don't need it to be that big right now. And let's push our tube here higher, so it looks like it is sitting on the ground, like this. We can hide the spare for now. We just use it as a placeholder. Maybe this is like a very active root or some type of a tubular thing, that is coming inside from this man's hand, that the plant, our alien plant that we will keep here, is directly controlling. Maybe we can give it a very creepy mouth. I think we can do that. So let's maybe make this slightly higher, give it an interesting shape. Let's just keep it curvy right here. Maybe like this. Maybe this is standing up like this, right? We can use it. Let's bring our hand here. Okay, we might have to change the direction. Let's see if we can change this one and if it will be anything interesting. Okay, we will have to change the direction of our hand a little bit so that it comes from here. Let's change its polygons for now. I am in polygroup. We can go to the polygroup and auto group. Each and every hand will get their own polygroup like this, and we can easily select them. Let's select all this one on the bottom section, and now we can control all of them like this. Let's make it look like our hand is surrounding the this tubular thing for now, like this. We can hide it later. Okay, like this. Yeah, like all of our hand is surrounding it. Let's duplicate it and we can make some more. Don't be afraid of hands, okay? Just let's keep on adding as many hands as we need. Maybe all these smaller hands are also, attached to the mind of our plant alien. It can also like use to grab. Let's see if this head is maybe targeting our another victim. These smaller hands can also easily operate individually and grab anything that is around it. Yeah, we can use that idea. We can add more individual hands later, but maybe we'll hide this side a little bit. Okay, I think this one will do for now. Let's just make it smaller and hide it. We don't need it. We can easily cover it later. For now, let's just keep it. Okay, I think it's starting to look a lot more creepy.